Urban Development Minister Byrathi Suresh stated on Thursday that only 90 families evicted from Faqir Colony in Kogilu layout are eligible for compensatory housing, dismissing claims that nearly 400 families comprising around 3,000 people would be accommodated. The clarification followed the Karnataka government's announcement on 29 December regarding alternate accommodation for genuine homeless residents affected by a demolition drive in North Bengaluru. According to Suresh, a joint survey conducted by officials from the Urban Development Department and the Social Welfare Department established that only 90 residents were local and met eligibility criteria. The allotment, he said, was restricted to genuine beneficiaries belonging to this city. The opposition BJP warned of protests in Bengaluru on 5th January if the allotment proceeded. Yelhanka BJP MLA S.R. Vishwanath alleged irregularities, claiming that individuals who deposited 1 lakh rupees a year ago were yet to receive houses due to incomplete construction. He also alleged violations of Rajiv Gandhi Awas Yojana norms, including income limits, residency requirements and domicile certification. Yashwantpur MLA S.T. Somashekar questioned the reduced cost of 2.5 lakh rupees for Kogilu beneficiaries compared to 10.5 lakh rupees elsewhere, alleging illegal concessions involving the civic body and the Minority Welfare Board. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar dismissed the controversy, stating that law and order were being maintained.